If you are too tired to fix the hull of the inflatable air balloon, or buy a new one, I can recommend you buy Pool Noodles. I put a link in the descriptions down below to the product on eBay. Unzip the cover, and gently remove the inflatable. Just cut it to the right size. Put it in the original inflatable place. And close the zipper back. Now, you can enjoy it, no worries that it will blow up again. Hope I helped. If so, I would be happy to get a thumbs up. That's how I know I've helped. And if you have any other idea, I'd love to hear. Goodbye.